about I would say now I add extra word. Do you remember this word? This is the one that it sounds like G. G, it means not, like no. So in this sentence it says, Lia G Nia Si Lia. Lia G, that means Lia doesn't like red color. Lia G Nia Si Lia. So Lia, okay, now. Other color that I want to show you, we know that this is dark. See dark. And we know that this is Sidu. Now, Sidu, Sida, Silia. Now we're going to learn about Sida. Yeah. Sida. Okay. Sidu, Sida. Oh, Sida. Oh, what color is this one? I rubbed it out. That is the Lia. I'm going to teach you another word. I think we learned the G, right? G already. The next word is this. This is not. This is called but. I like white color. You see, Gunya Sidal. But I don't like red color. Tashi Guchinya Silia. Correct? Gunya Sidal. Tashi Guchinya Silia. I like white color, but I don't like red color. You can say, Guchinya Silia. I don't like red color, but Tashi, I like white color. Gunya Sidal. Correct? So you're going to say Gu Ji Nia Si Lia Tashi Gu Nia Si. Done. Okay. The two letters that I wanted to learn. G and Tashi. Gu Ji Nia Si Lia. Tashi Gu Nia Si Dal. Let's read again. Gu Ji Nia Si Lia. Tashi Gu Nia Si Dal. I don't like red color, but I like white color. So this is what we call the conjunction. So we are learning we learned this last week G. Now this week we're learning Tashi, right? I'm going to stop it. I think I don't want to confuse you, and we'll continue this next week. Just remember our new word for this week. Tashi, but it's kind of like, I don't like dog, but I like cat. Guchinya de, tashi gunya. Me, I don't like whatever, but I like I don't like going to school, but I like writing. Okay, so we're going to start with it. I think I just don't want to confuse you. Okay, so what have you learned today? I introduced you the, what's that? That is the D, nung. Just remember the people tongue. D, nung. You have to almost say, nung, like that. Okay? So we go back to all our D again. All our sound in D. A, E, I, O, U, Ư, I, Ia, Ao, Ua, Ang, On. You see? If I put no in here, that become nung, isn't it? All right. So we learn the that's the name, and we learn a few sound, and we put them in a sentence. A few of the like tao kế mean walk. Ô chợ mean drunk. Got it? Bê châu, it means like 30, number 30, or bê châu as New Year. Bê mong lu bê châu, nhớ trong lúc có thiền tư. Okay? Right. So, we are going to ending with si du, si da, si lia, and si da. And we have learned 2 new words, chi and tashi. And we learn to put this in a sentence like Cú chi nia si lia, tashi cú nia si da. I don't like red color, but I like white color. Okay, hope you enjoy this lesson, and we'll sure see you again. Okay, và thế chị share thì nhanh nàyวันอย่างnày nào nó nói với cả the more here. 我中到星期多。